Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how many devices can watch Netflix at the same time. And to know the answer, you should go to Netflix, and after that, wait a little bit, click on My Netflix. Click on the three lines on the top right of the screen, click on Account, and after that go and click on netflix.com/more, click Continue, click Manage Account, and here open your account, and after that go and click on Change Plan. And as you can see here, there is three different plans that you can use on like Netflix. The first one is the basic plan, and on this plan, like, you can use only one device or one screen at the same time. The second one is the standard, and you can use two devices at the same time with it, so no problem with that. You have you can use two devices, TV, computer, mobile phone, or tablet. And the third one is like the premium, and with the premium you can use four devices at the same time, and you can use 6 download devices. But what you should know that there is difference in prices. So the first one, for example, in Tunisia, and I repeat, those prices are in Tunisia. The first one is $4, the second one is $8, and the third one is $10. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the